That's Ugliberg there. You can go up there, there's like the peak, and you can get like coffees and beers and stuff. No problem, you don't have to press it. What do you think?
Do it now, I told you, do it now. Let's go. You wanna hate me, then hate me. You red sweater, you black leather, you dress better, I like better, better get better, I love better, little
Colour that gorgeous guy, man. There's loads of people out and about.
it, just fucking go. Ah! Yeah. Woo. It's big build up. Do you want to say anything else now again? Do you want to say anything before you go?
Just see this
yeah,
body?
yeah, just gonna show off the body. Yeah, yeah, okay. Your hairless, childless body.
Are you going
Okay,
first,
yeah,
or
cool.
You go first this time.
Huh? Yeah?
Yeah, go on.
Okay, go on. Go,
I don't
start
turn
it.
I don't turn that
You know, it
gentle.
started
Is it?
50,
Stop it,
30
start-
seconds.
stop
No,
it,
no, I'm
start-
not fucking. No, no.
I
I'm
don't
not
want all our
stopping
talking in it.
Yeah,
No, you're gonna hear.
I don't want all our talking in it.
Pussified talking
it.
about
I was gonna
who's
stop
doing
it
now and
because it's
then
not
take
gonna
it
look
again.
fucking matching.
Go,
Okay,
stop it and
okay.
play it again.
Okay, I stopped. Okay, cool.
Go on. No,
Cool.
no, stop it.
Yeah, it stopped.
Stop it.
Yes.
Luke is a pussy.
Alright.
Right, ready?
I don't know.
Oh shit! I stopped recording.
Is that the time? Huh?
Go on. Allez!
I'm not gonna dive. Yeah.
Weil am Rhein Grenze
Tell me when.
Yep.
It's actually right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sound.
No. We are not starting this. No, we have the best of the offer.
Will you stop, boy? For fuck's sake. You wanna get fired or what?
I hear that. Fuck off.
no porkers, lad.
You should have subscribed this thing I made today for myself. Wait at the camera.
I'm nearly catching up with this fam.
Either one of those that you hike up to the top of, and you can actually see the whole land.
Be serious though, just fucking you made your menu. That's serious to be fair.
Do you know what? You probably see Italy, like that's probably Italy just there. Get about 150 a week. But it's busy. I've gotten like, but really like euros and stuff. I got 400 a week.
But the island is even nice, huh?
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
But you have good weather here, you know. This is this is more beautiful.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, the weather here is much better.
It's more bright.
Yeah,
People who is on the sea.
this is just amazing.
But Zurich is nice, huh?
Alright, well. Down to probably Wednesday, Thursday, anyway, so let's put Thursday for your body.
Trained summit climbers. Courageous alpine climbers have since developed over 30 routes. The fascination with and respect for
And I'm just trying to figure everything out. And you know that I keep on hustling, yeah, bringing water to the
shout out there to Leo Marsh there in Switzerland.